Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. Happy New Year. It is Saturday, January 1st. I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the first Cars and Coffee of 2022. So looking forward to it to see the show. Let's go. And line up for New Year's coffee. Actually, I noticed something's missing. Where is the merchandise tent? Okay, here at the front row, replacing the Camaro, is James's Audi R8. This is the Lamborghini from Cher, along with the big Rolls-Royce SUV. Let's check that out. That is a good-looking Rolls-Royce, the biggest SUV I've ever seen. Look how thick that seat is. That's because this is a table. We have Jay's Ford GT, Lamborghini Gallardo, GT3, a McLaren with a lot of mods. Check that out. Gold wheels, carbon fiber everywhere, and even a carbon hood scoop on the roof. That doesn't work, it's just for looks, it's not functional at all. Aston Martin V8, the new 992 Turbo S actually, nice. GT3, 4-liter natural aspirated motor, flat 6. The Ford GT, this one still has a sound system inside, unlike Jay's Ford GT. He removed the sound system. You can still see the subwoofer between the driver and passenger. Lamborghini Urus with huge aftermarket wheels, 23-inch wheels, nice. 718. Ooh. A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ by Sheepy Racing. Yeah, check out the Sheepy Race sticker on the side. So I wonder, is this twin turbo? So let's take a look at the back here and see. Unfortunately, you can't see anything. So I don't know what's been done to the engine, but if it's from Sheepy Race, I'm sure something really, really powerful has been added. Check out that exhaust. Another GT3 right here. Lizard green McLaren 650. MP412C. Ferrari F8 Tributo.
All your cards? Yeah. Well, should we walk over and take a look? Let's go.
Ferrari California. Another GT3.
John, hey John, happy New Year, John.
And we have another Huracan. And an 812 wearing plate number 21 and could definitely use a wash in the wheels. Murcielago, last generation Lamborghini. A 911 with some nice sports classic wheel, I see. Those are nice. The new 992 GT3. This is the latest GT3, the fastest GT3 around the Nürburgring and every other racetrack. And here's a white version. So we have, this is kind of like a grayish one and a nice white one. I like the white, the black and the white with the gold wheel really sets it off. GTR, AMG. Another Aventador. Another GTR, Nissan GTR in this case. And I see more Porsche, GT3, GT3, and GT3. So there you go. And check this out. An Audi R8 with a ski rack. Nice. I think it's only held together by suction cups too. Let's take a closer look at that. And it's really low to the ground. Man, this thing is slammed. It's got a wide body kit on there. And check out the ski rack here. Yep. Suction cups. Suction cup to hold the ski rack. How fast have you got this thing with the ski rack on?
130.
130 and it held?
Yeah.
Well, that is impressive. And you're from Oregon, huh?
No, I picked it up in Oregon.
Oh, you picked up in Oregon. Okay, well, that's why you need the ski rack. There you go. You gotta like someone who's not afraid to take an Audi R8 skiing. Lots of Porsches today. 911 Turbo, the latest generation. Another Audi R8. The Targa 911, very nice. There's a vintage Targa, and you can see how the top is stored in the trunk or frunk. Classic 911 Turbo with a whale tail. Yeah, lots of Porsches. And I guess here we have Porsche's parents. These are the parents of the Porsche. And one of my favorite Woodies right here. Check it out. Like, this Woody is powered by a Corvette motor. Yeah, hey. That there is a Corvette motor right there. Here we have a couple of restored Camaros. So this red one here, is restored in like original condition. So you can see the carburetor on the V8 and the all the cast parts, all trying to make it look original as possible. And then this one here, he took a more modern approach to the restoration. So you can see the big current barrel brakes, and it has a modern Corvette engine there. And you can check out the billet parts versus the old classic cast parts. Two different philosophies in restoring the car. Both works. Now this is one mean looking SUV. Oh wow. That was very sporty. Take a big 7-passenger SUV, lower it to the ground, black out all the chrome pieces, and this is what you get. Looks good next to this. So check out the motor. So, oh yeah, very clear display of the intercoolers right there. So I see the twin intercooler, one on this side, one on that side. Intake, so the turbo is tucked away under the car somewhere. Man, look at this classic. White wall tires, hubcaps. It's got all the ingredients. And what really stands out is this windshield. Check out that windshield. I mean, the arc like that. Oh, that's nuts. Frameless, like no frame. I mean, it's terrible for wind seal. Like the window doesn't go into the groove, if like that. Basically, wind noise everywhere. Wind noise everywhere. But yeah, the trunk that can fit all the dead bodies. I got that interior. Nice. Oh, look at this. Fuel injected 454. And it is fuel injected. I mean, at first they look like carburetors, but it's really not. It's a FitTech fuel injector. That's cool. So, it's got the vintage look, but the updated technology. And look, it has a Hot Wheels version of itself. So this thing has its own Hot Wheels. Oh my words. You're a special car to get your own Hot Wheels. Another really cool Woody, complete with American flag, and check out those horns. Yeah, that will scare people. And 2 more in there just in case.
Nick was like, oh, I think I should get a Honda.
Really cool hood ornament. This Honda Civic has one of the biggest turbos I ever seen.
No,
Oh my words. That is shiny. Oh my words. Little tiny Mazda Miata with, that's got to be one of the smallest superchargers I've ever seen. Oh my. That is positively tiny. Nice Aston Martin. The new V8. Bit of a traffic jam here. I guess you could call it New Year's traffic. You know, I really wasn't expecting this many cars for the New Year's, because yesterday was New Year's Eve, and I imagine most people would be out, you know, celebrating, ringing in New Year's, and they wouldn't wake up in time. But yeah, it's a full show today. I'm not sure what happened to this Jag. My guess is the owner is wrapping it and decided to not finish it. Check out this Viper. It claims to be a GTS-R, even though there's never been a GTS-R, but you know, whatever. You can call it whatever you want. Yeah. I see modification includes the front canards, lightweight magnesium wheel that's been well worn, and it actually has a handicap parking sticker so it can park here. And the biggest thing is this giant wing in the back. Oh my word, that's the biggest wing of the week. This is the end of the main lot, and they're still coming in. That's a cool Bentley. And it's at the end of the lot. It should be a Supercar road. This is Fast and Furious right here. I thought the Viper had a big wing, but I think this is the winner. Yeah, that's definitely wing of the week. Lexus and a couple of luxury G-Wagons. Nice. Hello, doggy.
Oh, he's looking for forever.
There you go. Nice.
He's a foster.
Nice t-shirt, dog.
Yeah.
Man, check out this Trans Am. It's meant to live its life a quarter mile at a time. So check out the motor. Look at the size of that turbo. Oh my word. No space for an air cleaner. Just suck the air right in. And then you can see right here, you can see the intercooler. The intercooler cut opening for the intercooler there. Then it comes back out and into the intake, which is really tall. So he had to cut the hood to clear it. Yeah. That's wild. Look at that suspension right there. Wow. And where do you see the back? Check out the back. Look at that. It's got to be at least over 20 inches of travel. Crazy. And then, here you go. There you go. Open up. Check out the interior. Yeah, this is all set up for off-road. You got ICCB radios, communication system, quick release steering wheel. Wow. McLaren 600 LT Spider GT3 RS with gold wheels and a gold sticker. Nice. Another GT3 RS, another GT3, a GT3 RS, lots of GT3s right here. Oh, check out the lively on this thing, the Marlboro GT3. Ferrari 488, there's a green, Hunter Green LDR8, a 992 Turbo, a GT3 RS in green, Ferrari 458 Italia, Ferrari FF V12 four-door, not four-door, four-seater. Another GT3, it's all GT3s here. And I see here another GT3, or McLaren, and the motorcycles of Cars and Coffee. All right, check this out. A B&W home-built electric motorcycle. And they talked to the owner. He built this himself. That is so cool. Look, I see a little horn on there. And he told me the inverter is in this gas tank. So that's the motor. There's the motor right there. That is cool. Check it out. Right-hand drive Toyota Supra. Cue Fast and Furious. Okay, well, what is this? Look at this. This is my pick for car of the week. Yeah. It's like a bathtub car. It's made from an oil drum. That is so cool. Okay, so this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And it's if you're a car enthusiast, it's a great place to be on a Saturday morning. Enjoy some coffee, check out some nice cars. If you're in the area, I look forward to seeing you. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.